Hi, this is Cameron Chai from azom.com, and today I'm speaking to Alan Bresnahan from Dotmar Engineering Plastics. How are you today, Alan?
Good, thanks, Cameron.
Good to hear. So today Alan's going to be telling us about their range of PTFE coated heat belts and fabrics. That's the sort of material that they manufacture or supply, and most people are familiar with PTFE from kitchen applications where PTFE is used on fry pans and things like that because of its low friction properties, non-stick properties and good heat resistance. Now Alan, can you show us through your product range?
Yes, Cameron. Essentially, we fabricate from our roll stock or our stock that we bring in from our main supplier, St. Gobain and ChemFab in the United States and Ireland. Now we have a range of process belts that we tend to manufacture, and these can be supplied into various industries such as the food industry for direct food contact through ovens and alike, but also into the textile industry, screen printing industry, and all those kind of areas where high heat release properties are required. The actual product will handle up to 260 degrees centigrade and as low as minus 150 degrees. So it has a great temperature range, and I know you mentioned that before.
Okay, Alan, you've got these range of PTFE coated fabric tapes. Can you tell us about those, what they're used for and why they're used?
Certainly, Cameron. Essentially, the actual PTFE coated fabric has a silicone adhesive on the back of it, so it can actually be adhered to or stuck to heat sealing machines, coating the actual heat platen for bag sealing and such like that. It essentially keeps it as a release agent, so the actual plastic of the bag does not stick to the heating pattern.
Okay, and then you've also got this product called Bake It. Can you tell us about that one?
My word, and you mentioned in the cooking game there before. This is our Bake It range of product. Now essentially it is a PTFE coated fabric again. It is FDA approved and complies with FDA, I suppose, compliances again. But essentially it's a reusable baking sheet that you can wash in hot soapy water and keep on reusing. It's ideal for the barbecue. It is can be cut to any shape or size with a pair of scissors, and every conceivable pan or anything in your kitchen can be utilised with a non-stick surface. Lining the bottom of your oven with it, and you actually just take it out, wash it out and put it back into the oven. So very simple use for a PTFE coated fabric.
How about on barbecue hot plates?
My word, that is great. You know, when you've got something like a fish which tends to leave some kind of odour afterwards, it's easy to wash that down than a heavy barbecue plate, that's for sure.
All right, Alan, thanks very much for telling us about your range of PTFE coated fabrics and heat belts.
Thanks, Cameron.